Okay, so after few days of break, I am back with this. Today I am doing this, let's say I'm continuing this till 31st of December. Then I am going with making my own web pages that I am going to try. For now, I'm just copy pasting them. Okay, here is the linear app that someone recommended me to copy, and I have actually copied this section from here. Like if you switch to the hover option, you can see same option over here, and I just see my problem. This button is bold. Let's make it bold. Okay, now this is bold and it's looking much more similar to the original. Let's make it default again. I was working on this section today. Well, technically AI recommended me to copy them as well, but these are going to be hard. But these are also part of a UI, so I should do it technically. And let's start with this part. Typography. Okay, this typography is clearly similar to what I have said before. Same over here. Let's copy the text. Um, product sheets. Okay, what else do we have over here? Because this is a frame and this is also a frame, we can make them auto layout. Let's move it over here. Let's move it over here. And we have our this section. Let's just copy this right of the bed. Let's take it over here. Let's remove this section. Streamline your uh I think there is lag when we talk, but actually I am just starting to learn Figma and UI UX. I don't know what you are saying. What is GSAP? Let's search it. Wow, this is so beautiful. You mean this responsiveness or the 3D elements? Man, this is so beautiful, yeah. Okay, so I was watching a tutorial for Flutter app development, and there I saw that I was using the lotties for adding the animation for the app, but I don't think I am still good with the web pages. Are you talking about this website, GSAP? Oh, yes, that website is really awesome actually. What do you do actually? There is so much lag between the message I say and Orpin, are you there? I don't think so. But thanks for the update, man. Bye. Code website, web apps, ML models, and other sub design part is weak though. Okay, so you mean I should wait? I think I should chat with you because technically there is a lag and I can't get your opinion on time. You asked what I do right. Yes, I asked you. There is around 4 pixel gap in between them. Full stack development, ML and others. Oh, okay. Okay, so here is the app which I am in the industry at my hometown thinking of doing app dev. Okay, so no, you can create a web app too. I actually was making a profile for my friend. Wait a minute, let me find it where it is. There you no, this is not the one. Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? Where the hell it is? I think it's the right one. No, this is not the right one. Where did it go, yeah, man? Where is it? Where? Yes. But my job is not high paying and I really want to get out of there. Okay, so this is the web profile that Oh man, I'm not doing anything related to this work. I am technically an accountant. You will laugh at my work, lifetime works. I mean, I was in science, for 11th and 12th with physics, chemistry, and maths. After that, I switched to doing commerce with doing bachelor's of administration. And then after again, am switching to this stuff that's related to art. So you can just imagine how much bad my life has been. Okay, so I want to show you this. I was working on it, but later when I was just learning the basics of HTML, I came to a realization that if I want to make this button responsive, it will have a bounding box. Okay, why it is not clickable? Wait a second. Yes, so will have a bounding box of a box which I can't click, or my hover will go over here and it will create a problem in the website for this portfolio. So this is the problem, but this was pretty good looking. And you can also see this one. This actually have its fourth state over here, which I have, which you don't think look like anything different, but they're actually four states. And when you click, it starts rotating more, something like that. And this is four states of hearts and phases. Everything is over designed over here, you can see. I don't know much of CSS and HTML. I was just seeing the basics of it. Then I came to a realization that they have the bounding box and things, which actually is helping me in this Figma. It's actually after learning more about designing, I figure out that these colors are not good at all. They are too much wacky, and this whole thing cannot be converted to a button. I have to make it like what we called it as a background, basically. Yes, I have to make it a background, and this thing should be a hover options, which will have these boxes, small box. For example, let's talk. If I go, it's not going in much. So yeah, something like that. And let's talk is this. You watch anime? I will do something about this delay. I actually have a timetable, something like that, for which I decide what I am going to do in next week, and I work on it. For example, let me show you. I was delayed basically, but this is the original page, as you can see. Okay, okay, this is the original page from the Microsoft Edge that we always see, and this is what I copied from it. You can see the design and everything, except for the icons and the text which is originally used by them is their own, um, what do we call it, copyrighted text. I have this much created, as you can see. This is something you will see everywhere and all. As for another day, I was making Discord settings copy. This is the Discord setting page for mobile, and this is my copy. See here. For Spotify, I have created Spotify copy over here, and I was learning some theories about UI UX over this page. So I have been doing this for past 1 week. Actually, I had some feverish and something like that, so I missed 2 to 4 days. I know, I know, I know. I saw you. You are my first. And technically, I'm thankful, but I'm not actually doing this for subscribing. I am doing this for more like logging, so that I can keep track of myself, that I have to log something for myself, something like that. You know what I mean? I easily get distracted from my things that I am working on. Okay, it's not in the frame. What is this frame actually? But that's what I'm thinking. How can I randomly pop on your feed? I haven't done anything actually. I can make you the portfolio that you were asking for free for the designing, but you have to give me the specifics. You can actually have my Discord ID, or more like a Discord. Do you use Discord? Let me find it. Wait a second, huh? Let me find it and share it. I understand, even I don't have it. You can see this portfolio. It's not up to the mark. Uh, Let me create a new actually for me and my friends, and let's name it ABC. Create server. Can you type this in your ID? Join the server actually. JG. This is the Discord invite that I shared with you. You can join here. We can talk there. Show me what you want to show. You can just type this much. Let me switch to the BRB scene, then I will give you. Wait a minute. Like it. 12, 12 is done with the stroke outside and the color, what is this color? What is this color actually? Buttons color, button, it's white. Okay, so this thing's color is going to be similar to the white over here, and this is also going to be white, but the opacity of this is going to be something like 20%. It's 50%, 50ish. Let's see, it's more glassy with drop shadow. That's why I created the okay, let's move, give it down to 40, more less to 30, and the inside color with 10. More? Are you asking more? I think this is right. Yeah, this much is right. Now I have to create all the buttons. You know what? I'm really thinking of just copy pasting these things. Like, how do I create them? What are these links that you have shared? Let's see. Why? Uh, your name is Weber? Wipe not live. Vibe over here. Software engineer. Let's check on Discord. Bro, I think this is pretty good. You have used some amount of noise here too, right? Okay, this noise is not good. I'm not criticizing. Okay, okay, now this is beautiful. But actually, this thing over here, the noise is killing the vibe. Background blur is okay, but the noise is just killing the vibe. This is actually good, bro. Yep. Wow. To create something like this, I will need like a month. Let's see this. Ramex.in. What is this? Oh, wow. Okay. This is something good. This is not needed, man. This is just no, no. He could have utilized this part to actually push. Okay. Actually, he could have used these things to push towards his work, showcasing his work, what he have created. Resume and CV. If I click it, okay, it have hover animation, but don't have clicking animation. That is needed over here. Yep. This style is okay. Searching the song. Oops, taking a bit of a time. Found it. What is this? Oh hell no. No, 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 no. Please. If only he could have showcased his work over here instead of directly clicking to the websites. 2x boost over here. And this thing no one will read. Too much information. These are good. These are good. Small work experience. Now this is annoying. He's very committed. This is the best. Only the noise is a bit contrasted, but this is the best. Anyone will hire this guy. Anyone. So you know what? I am switching the off the stream. I think I will be done by this by the end of tomorrow evening, and we can continue chatting on what can I say on Discord. Let me stop the stream. Bye. I will do this tomorrow and be complete with it.